All right, so I think I qualify for a subscription and a like, just because I'm gonna go probably and metal detect in the rain. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, how's it? So when anybody loses anything today, you know where to get me, ne?
Yes, sir.
Lekker man, dankie.
There we go. Enjoy your day further.
Thank you. Okay, we made it. So I'm gonna put my pluckies here where I always do. And let me tell you, it's about a 50% chance that I'm gonna lose this. But yeah, so we got about 80 centimeters low tide here. And yeah, please guys, might rain, I don't know. Let's go. Alright, first target. It does say 14, and we know that's normally a pull tab, but in the wet, I don't know, we don't want to miss that. Okay, we have it. Come on. Alright, so we got that one out of the way. It is in fact a pull tab. We'll keep going. Oh, right, we have a 20. 3 arrows down. I like the 20s. I like the 20s. Oh, okay, we have it. Ah, should I rinse this? Come on, man. You see, the scoop only has like, I think 8 mil holes, drainage holes. But I tell you, oh my soul, we have a ring. Oh, okay. 20 should be silver. It is a ring. Okay, second target. I'm not skunked yet. I see something there, but I can tell you now, yeah, I see something in there. This is going to be silver. 20 on the Equinox. Lekker, let's go. Okay, so because of time, I'm going to let that one go. Time meaning that I'm a bit late on the low tide. It's about 20 minutes before its peak, so that's why we have to be very selective and keep going. Okay, in the water it's a different type of thing, guys. So right against that scoop, check the depth as much as you can. Try and get it first scoop, which normally does not happen in reality. See, that's a 10-15 now. Also, I think we get over eager in the water, especially when our backs are turned. That's out. That's a 14-16. Could be a pull tab. Could be gold. You see, could be a pull tab, and it could be. I'm already huffing and puffing, but that's fine. I prefer this to anything. Here we go. We have it. Right, we got that out of the way. That was a breezer, man. Right, this seems very small. Low tone. It's about 4, 5 on the what machine have I got? Equinox. Okay. Yeah. It could also be that these are falling through the scoop. You know, there's not much you can do about that. Maybe we have it. I'm checking my camera angles, guys, as much as I can. Don't want to wear the head strap. I don't like it. I don't see anything, and I'm also checking. It could be I don't know, this, yeah, it's just a space peanut. All right, this one, sorry, I have to wipe the camera, is a bit all over the place. I see another 14 there, but a 20 as well, and we know the 14 by now, but many times. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. All right, it seems like we found the line and the area where these are, the bottle caps. All right, loud one. Sounds like a coin. Sounds like a coin. Let's hope we have it. We have it. Every time I bend down, I'm checking my camera, trying to get the scoop in view. Yep. £2. Alright, up here on the crevice, because every now and then we loop up just to try and see if we haven't got a nice deposit area. So not a solid tone, but and I got all quiet now. 9, 10, 11. I see it. Come on, be good to us. 9, 10, 11 is nothing. All right. Okay, let's take this. I see again a 14 in there, but you know, all right, so it's right there. Okay, let's use the pinpointer. All right, let's break the wall from that side, so we go wider and deeper. Okay, now I'm getting angry. So it's a violent scoop then. Ah, now it's a solid 14. There. Okay, we have it. Oh man, where's the water? Look at this. You need the water, it's gone. Really? There's no water. There is, but I'm not gonna go now. Can't even see the shape. Oh, I see it now. Oh man, you tune into this channel for Pull Tab. Alright, I'm about 5 scoops in, and this turn is up to 33, which is pretty high for a machine that only shows a VDI of 40. That's a 16 out of the hole. Sometimes we're so glad. It sounds terrible in the hole. We'll try and I see the tides coming back in. Alright, let's do this. We have water now. Come Dion. Ah, lekker. That sounded terrible to begin with, which is why I didn't switch on, but that is a £5. That's a £5. I think, no, it's not even half a litre of diesel. Maybe I can have a sniff of the diesel. It's a £5 South Africa. Is it? Yeah, it is. 2021. Right, mid-tone. See a 16 in there again, which is normally a £5, but I embarrass myself every time I try and call it. 19 as well. So, but we saw how the I see it. You see, now it's funny because it's the same size and shape as a £5, and it's amazing how these targets accumulate, which are very similar in diameter and everything. So I'm going to grid this area a little bit. The most popular beer in South Africa, Black Label, Brakpan. Hey, Shallow Screamer, GoPro 7, no water here, I'm sure. Huh? I see it. Oh, thankfully. We have another £2, also spendable, South African £2. No £1 yet. This is the same size as our rings, so hopefully. Right, 29 on the Equinox, Dion. Equinox, you don't have the days. Wow, it's jumping up to 31. Okay, hoping for silver. Wow. That's fine. That's fine. Listen to how that's jumping. Wow. Gonna go take a guess. It's there. All right. Oh, it's that black covering. So initially, it is, well, it's a coin. Yes, it's a coin. It's a 2 rand. Another one close to the other one. But that black and stuff throws the VDI out a bit. Right, 11. Don't see often. And this is solid. And it says shallow. Okay, now it feels big. Feels big. It seems big. Still holding that solid 11, which is normally round. I see it. It's not going to be round. Dion. Yeah, it is. A dog tag necklace that is got a thumbprint on it. And at the back is no name, it says last touch. That's 18 years ago, so this could be, shame, maybe somebody that passed, I don't know. Shame, man. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's carry on. That equipment must be so expensive. Must be hard work. Alright, let's dig at 23. Guys, please subscribe. Yeah, I think I'm about on 950 subscribers. I want to put some shirts on if I can. 24 now. In my mind, I've got a envisioning the target, which is normally in the park, but I'm not going to say it. Okay, let's break the wall down and go deeper. 22. See it? Something shiny. 22. Huh? That's so shiny, isn't it? 22. I don't know. It's broken or something. Okay, it's a good day. If you haven't lost your pluckies, mine's still here. I'll give you guys a short wrap up. Alright, bye bye. Hey guys, welcome to the wrap up. Little mini wrap up I'll do for you guys. Something I can share. Really trying to put as much effort into this small channel as possible. So please, I would appreciate yeah, any comments or whatsoever. Talk less, talk more, this, that, that's fine. I can deal with that. I respect that. So as far as this hunt is concerned, was a quick little hunt. As you can see, the sun is shining now, but it was very overcast when we left. Didn't rain at all, so very happy about that. As far as news is concerned on my side, as you know, I live in the West Coast. When it comes to beach scoops, we're not spoiled for choice, guys. I personally use the Big Jim scoop, which you all see, solid stainless steel, very small drainage holes, so it really impacts on the wrist and that. You know, we really feel it. So yesterday I received. We don't have local manufacturers in the West Coast. We removed from the main hubs. But yesterday I received a WhatsApp from this gentleman who says, I'm not sure where he is, but he manufactures these scoops, and he says here that it only weighs 1.5 kgs. That's obviously without the sand. So I did send him a message, find out where he is, and yeah, see how it goes. But it's not looking bad at all. Anyway, so as far as the hunt is concerned, what I have to show you is some coins. We got a 5 rand, 3 2 rands. So that's 11 rand in coins. No other coins. This piece of, I don't know what that is. It broke off something, cufflink or whatever. These are always there. You know, they must always be part of everything. We know that. This is an older denomination I found up the side, but it's crusted, it's eroded. So we weren't skunked today. We did find a silver ring. This is a little girl's ring. In Afrikaans we call it a seelding, but it is silver. And as I said, we weren't skunked. That's good. But for me, the find of the day was, this is stainless steel, so it's not precious metals. But if you can see, there's a thumbprint on it. Okay, that's quite a big thumbprint as well. And then at the back it says here, last touch 2007. So I suspect this means a lot to somebody, and because I have a small channel, that's not going to help. But what I'll do is I'll add it on the local community Facebook page and see how that goes. Other than that, yeah, quick hunt, and I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll be trying to load a video every week, and just give it my best. Just give it my best. We got a nice low tide today, tomorrow, the day after, and yeah, if so, I'll be there. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next hunt. Bye bye.